What's up, guys? This is John Giovanelli with Eurofed of Atlanta, and this is my new 2019 M2 competition. So this is my new project, and I've got a lot of plans for this thing. Downpipes, tune, I want to put some BBSs on here. We're a BBS installer, so there's plenty to choose from. So we also got to make sure that we take care of the monster truck look that this car has and provide better handling with some motion control suspension. Probably going to go possibly even big turbo one of these days. With these turbocharged engines, they get really hot really fast, especially when you're on the track. Intercoolers, radiators. This one has plenty of oil coolers, so we shouldn't have too many issues there. But if your car doesn't have a proper oil cooler, you don't want to put too much power to the ground because you will damage something. So big thing is cooling, and that's what we're going to focus with this car as well. So the reason I chose the M2 competition was, one, because it's small. It's smaller than the M3, the M4, every single other M car out there. And it has the same engine that they put in the M3 and the M4, so they gave it more power in a smaller package. I like cars that are really fun to drive, and this one ticked every single box. Not only that, but BMW, thankfully, still offers it in a manual, so I had to get that 6-cylinder. All of this is available on our online store, so make sure you check it out. Keep a watch out on our social media, Instagram, Facebook, all that, because you'll be seeing this car some more.